Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to change the strap, the silicone strap on your smartband. If you want to change the strap on your smartband, first thing you will need to do is to take off the old one. So, let's pick up our smartband, and to take off the strap, simply you need to pull out the plastic smartband out of the strap. And it's a bit scary because sometimes it feels like you're gonna break the strap, so be careful, but slowly try to push it away or outside. It's a struggle, but after a couple of seconds, as you can see, you can get it out. And that's how you remove the strap. And here we have it. That's how it looks like without the band in the strap. And let's say you have the new strap and you want to put it on. It's even simpler than taking it out. You simply take the band itself, put it in like on the one side of the strap, and then you simply stretch it out a little and then pull it on this band, and you just make sure that the sides of the strap are on the band itself. And as you can see, here you have it. Now the band is on the strap, and that's how you put it on. Okay, and that's how you change the silicone strap on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.